So hello everybody, I hope you are having a wonderful day. So welcome to the another video of the channel. So today's topic is how you can make more sales. This is the biggest question of every publisher, how we can make more sale, and more sale will give you more money. So that's why everybody is working. So how you can make more money. So how to make more sales. There was a time when I was also struggling and I'm not getting a lot of sales, so I worked in these things to make more sales. So how you can make more sales, just have a look on by finding a right niche. If you're finding a right niche, you will make sales. You are finding a niche which has low availability and high demand, then it is easy for you to make sales. If you made a book around which has high availability, which has high availability and low demand, you are not gonna make any sale. Low demand. So keep the eye on this. Try to find the right niche for you. Right niche will make you a lot of money without running any ads. If you run ads, you will make more and more money. Second is running ad. If you didn't find the right niche, run ads. You will require a lot of money because it's a competitive niche. But by running ads, you will eventually be profitable. It will take time, 1 or 2 months, depending on the niche and how much you are spending. So by running ads, you can make more sales and more money. And third point is make an email list. If you are someone who has a very big customer base, then you have their email list. So from email list you can mail them whenever you launch a new book. So that's why you make more sales. But if you are someone who is new, you can't do this. Mostly are new, so skip this. Fourth is by luck. Just you are just uploading book and thinking that I will sell. So you can do that too, but it's not gonna work every time. Yes, sometime you will sell, but you will not get consistent money. If you want to make consistent money, you have to work on finding a niche, running ads. This too is for everyone. Running ads, finding a right niche. And fifth one is making it as simple as it can be. Make your book as simple. Don't confuse your customer. If you confuse your customer, they are not gonna buy anything. Just make your title simple, subtitles simple. Don't add irrelevant keywords to your book or subtitle. Let's suppose you made a coloring book for adult. Don't just put for kids, for boys, for girls, for granddaughter, grandparents, teachers, plumbers. Don't do this. Just try to make it as simple as that. If a customer can connect with your book, they can buy. If you put a random, just fill it with keywords, it doesn't make any sense and you are not gonna sell anything. So keep in mind, make your book title, subtitle, keywords, backend keywords as simple as that. Choose a relevant category. Don't choose any irrelevant category. Don't try to cut corners. Do it on a legit way. You will make money. And we are not doing this business for 1 month or 2 months. We are doing this business for life. So we will make passive income throughout our life. That's why we are doing this. So keep this in mind. Don't try to cut corners. Go with the rules. So I hope you get my point. This too, when you make your book as simple as it can be, there are 2 things you can do to make more sales. First is by finding a right niche. Find a right niche. Make your book as simple as that. First find right niche, then make it as simple as it can be. And third is running ads. Focus in 3 and you will never gonna run out of sales. You will always make sales if you are doing these 3 things properly. If you are not making sales, you are not doing these 3 things properly. Keep this in mind. The most important is finding a right niche. If you don't have any money, if you have some money, try to run ads. Ads will give you more sales. And if you have money and you are finding a right niche, make it as simple as it can be, and eventually you will. Is very easy. Don't try to complicate things. Publishing book and running ads, it's very easy. A 10 years old kid also can do this. So don't try to complicate things. It's very easy. Make everything easy so you will remember easily. Don't try to make everything like, just don't complicate things. I am a man who always try to make as easy as it can be. So I hope you get my point. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. If you're someone who is new, subscribe to this channel, like this video, share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. This is the end of the video. Over and out.